In his book Factfulness, Rosling is talking about the world we are living today with numbers, and explains why the truth is far from what media show. To make our life easy, we tend to classify things into two opposite sides. Where in reality, facts are mostly there in the middle. The first misconception is, the word it is divided into two opposite categories, developed and developing countries. So let's have a look at this diagram, which is example of how we perceive the world now. See how nice the world countries fall into the two boxes. The box on the left show developing countries where families are big and many children die, while the opposite on the right square where we can see 44 developed country. So if this is the case, where is the problem? The problem is these data, and this perception. The world is going back to 1965, and the world has dramatically changed since then. Around 85% of the mankind has already lived in the developed world box, and less than 6% of the world population are still living in the developing ones. This change is not limited to survival of the children but also in the level of education, healthcare, electricity and democracy. The gap is no longer exists as before, and the horrible picture of the developing is not that horrible anymore. And the percentage of the population who lives in low-income countries does not exceed 10% now. So how to distinguish population in another way than developed and developing? Rosling answered this question by dividing the human beings into 4 levels according to daily income, which we will explain. Remember, there is no gap.